Do you want to know how you can change your username in Perplexity AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your username in Perplexity AI. Go ahead and open Perplexity AI on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Click on the setting option you can see in the left hand side and scroll down and you will find your username. Go ahead and click on this edit button and write down your username. You must make sure your username is valid and it is not taken. After doing this, you can see that your username has been changed. Let me show it to you once again, guys. Open Perplexity AI on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now click on the setting option which you can see on the bottom left hand corner. Click on it, scroll down and you can see the username. Click on this edit option over here and write down your desired username and then click save. This way your username will be changed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.